Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new document on the Adobe Fresco application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below. That's the first one. And after that, go to the start a new document section and tap on either custom size or my size. Here you should select the size of your document. You can select the unit of it, such as pixels, inches, centimeters or millimeters. Then the print size can be selected too, and the background as well. Click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you are ready to start creating your document. You have the tools here in the left side section. You have the eraser and a bunch of other options. Here you can set the opacity on this slide, such as the blend. You have a bunch of presets here. You can share the document if you are done by the share button at the top, and so on. So feel free to edit it the way you would like to, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.